Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at finite differences. So we can finally take a look at linear versus nonlinear and determine whether something is linear or nonlinear. The age-old question. So, best way to do that is by using an example here with some XY tables. Here are some data points with some X's and Y's, and you want to try to figure out whether it's linear, quadratic, or neither. So if you're taking a look at the first one, you're going to attempt first differences. So you're doing finite differences for one time. And what that is you're going to take the 5 and the 3 and subtract them from each other. You're always taking the second number and taking away the first one from it. 7 minus 5 is also 2. 9 minus 7 is also 2. And 11 minus 9 is also 2. Now you can see when we did it one time, we are getting a constant difference of 2 each time. And that happened the first time we did this, which means I can say 100% that this is a linear line. So let's try the same thing with our second one. Now, naturally, everyone knows me by now that you know the second one's most likely not going to be linear. So, most likely, our first differences are not going to work the first time. So you're going to have 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. 3 minus 2, which is 1. And 6 minus 3, which is 3. That leads me to do second differences, because the first time I did it, I was not constant. So doing that, I've got negative 1 minus minus 3, which is 2. 1 minus minus 1, which is 2. And 3 minus 1, which is 2. As you can see, the second time I did it, I got a constant difference, and that happened after my second time, which means I can say this is quadratic. So naturally, C is probably neither, right? Because that's how Mr. Eltahemy rolls. Or is it? No, it's going to be neither. Spoilers. So let's take a look at this one. Let's do it for the first time. 7 minus 3, which is 4. 9 minus 7, which is 2. 11 minus 9, which is 2. And 13 minus 11, which is 2. Well, 3 out of the 4 are constant, but I need them all to be constant. So let's do it a second time. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So we did it 2 times. We did it the first time and the second time, and they were not constant, which means we can say it's neither. And that is how finite differences works, to figure out if something is linear, quadratic, or neither. I hope this video has helped to refresh people's memories in finite differences. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Have a good day.